at my hair. Right. See what's going on up here. Get home, Jake. Stay warm and don't get sick. I ain't gonna be sick. It's not cold. It's just a blizzard. And I got on them Kaha overalls, a hoodie, a coat, a mask, a hat, wool socks, all types. Hope you had a good Thanksgiving too. Man, I love snow too. Snow product. You have a favorite? But I be bored when I come to Bloomington. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't really got no favorite spot. I be bored. That's why I don't go down there a lot. I be bored. Not a soul up here. Just like we expected. It probably ain't. Look at the police. Look, it ain't a soul up here. If they weren't coming out here when it was just like 30 degrees, it ain't no way they finna come out here now. They only got like 2 police cars. They don't expect nobody. It ain't a soul up here. What you talking about? Let's go Buckeyes. They're not up in here. It ain't a soul up here. Let's see how much snow it is. I gotta charge my phone. Don't nobody care no more. I know, boo, Ohio. What's she telling me? Start a snowball party with them, Jake. Well, who, the police? No. Bro gonna look like Santa soon. This ain't nothing to me. Hold on. I'm a lifelong Chicagoan. Like, this ain't shit. Huh? I guess they don't give a fuck no more.
Come on, man. You gotta up the game, man.
I'm a journalist. I'm not a protester.
Okay.
If they weren't out here when it was 30 degrees, ain't no way they coming out. The police say, where your people at? Well, if I left that charge, it's gonna be a short string. What the fuck is that? Oh, if I left that charger. Oh shit. I think I left the charger, bro. I have to go back to my car and restart the string. Oh, I got it. Ooh, I thought I left the charger. I thought I left the cord. Let's see. Look at it. I know all these police like, what the fuck is this dude doing? That was the Cook County Sheriff talking about where your people at. Snowman protested. I'm not a protester. Only way Jake can grow a mustache. I got a mustache, bro. How deep hit the snow so far? Hold on. I'm gonna try to show you my foot.